What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mac here. Today, we're diving into the world of remote work, where the earning potential is insane and the only commute is from your bed to your desk. We're breaking down the top 7 high-paying remote jobs you can start today. Whether you're a tech whiz, a creative genius, or a master organizer, there's a remote job out there with your name on it. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to upgrade your life because things are about to get wild. Let's do this. First up, we've got the rock stars of the remote world. Software developers. These digital architects build the apps and websites that run our lives. The demand for skilled developers is off the charts. Companies are desperate for anyone who can speak the language of computers, which means big-time salaries for you. We're talking 6 figures straight out of the gate, with the potential to earn way more as you gain experience. You can learn everything you need to know online. Tons of free resources and boot camps can take you from coding newbie to coding ninja in no time. Next up, we've got the data detectives, the insight ninjas, the Sherlock Holmes of the digital age, data scientists. In a world drowning in data, these are the people who can make sense of it all. They analyze massive data sets, uncover hidden patterns, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Data scientists are in high demand across every industry, from healthcare to finance to tech. If you've got a knack for numbers, a love of puzzles, and a thirst for knowledge, then a career in data science might be your calling. Now, let's talk about the marketing masterminds, the digital strategists, the people who make the internet go round. Digital marketing managers. These folks get brands noticed in the crowded online world. They craft compelling campaigns, manage social media empires, and drive traffic to websites like nobody's business. And the best part? You can do it all remotely. No more stuffy offices or soul-crushing commutes. Skilled digital marketers are worth their weight in gold, and companies are willing to pay a premium for their expertise. If you're a creative thinker with a knack for storytelling and a passion for all things digital, then a career in digital marketing might be your ticket to freedom and fortune. Calling all creative minds and tech-savvy artists. If you've got an eye for design and a passion for user experience, then a career as a UX/UI designer might be right up your alley. These are the people who make websites and apps beautiful, intuitive, and downright addictive to use. They're the architects of the digital world, crafting seamless experiences that keep users coming back for more. The demand for talented UX/UI designers is exploding. Every company with an online presence needs someone to make their digital products shine. If you're ready to combine your artistic talents with your tech skills and make a real impact on the digital world, then a career in UX/UI design might be your perfect match. Project manager, the orchestrators of success. Do you thrive on organization? Are you a master of deadlines and a champion of efficiency? If so, then a career as a project manager might be your calling. These are the people who bring order to chaos, keeping projects on track, on budget, and on point. Every industry needs skilled project managers. From tech to healthcare to construction, if there's a project, there's a need for a skilled leader to guide it to success. Cybersecurity analyst. Become a digital superhero. In a world where cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, the demand for skilled cybersecurity analysts is skyrocketing. These are the digital superheroes who protect our data, our privacy, and our online security. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand, commanding impressive salaries and job security that's through the roof. If you've got a passion for technology, a knack for problem solving, and a desire to make a real difference, then a career in cybersecurity might be your calling. Remote sales executive. Close deals, not the distance. Last but not least, We've got the closers, the deal makers, the masters of persuasion. Remote sales executives. These are the people who keep businesses thriving by connecting with customers, building relationships, and closing deals like it's nobody's business. And the best part? You can do it all from anywhere with a phone and an internet connection. Top sales professionals are some of the highest earners in any industry, and the earning potential is virtually unlimited. So if you're a natural communicator, a master of persuasion, and you thrive on the thrill of the close, then a career as a remote sales executive might be your ticket to freedom, fortune, and a whole lot of fun. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible remote jobs that can change your life. We're talking big money, ultimate flexibility, and the chance to be your own boss. It's time to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your future. The world is your oyster, and these remote jobs are your ticket to a life of freedom and abundance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more life-changing content.